This is LPG tanker Eco Royalty. Here we see her anchored at the entrance to the Thames estuary, a semi-refrigerated LPG tanker vessel built in 2015 by Japanese shipbuilders Kitanihon. In terms of length, she measures 95 meters in length and has a beam of 16 meters. She has a gross weight of 3,589 tons and a summer deadweight of 3,720 tons. Eco Royalty is fitted with two distinct LPG tanks, which can be distinctly seen here, labeled with LPG in large black lettering, one towards the front and one towards the rear of the ship. These tanks are designed to be pressurized to make transportation more efficient by ensuring the gas remains liquid throughout its journey. Eco Royalty currently flies the flag of the Marshall Islands and has a home port of Majura. One of the reasons registering ships in the Marshall Islands is particularly popular is for ship financing reasons, as well as the Marshall Islands' favorable legislation towards shipping and ship owners. Originally, this ship went by the name of B-Gas Superior. In 2020, she was sold by B-Gas Limited and subsequently rebranded to Eco Royalty, as we can see here today. Although, as is often with the sale of ships, comes new color schemes and branding, Eco Royalty remains largely unchanged, still boasting the vibrant orange and white superstructure we see here, the only noticeable change being the name painted on the vessel and the removal of the B-Gas branding. Eco Royalty frequently ports across Europe. Some of her more frequent ports include Portugal, Belgium, the Netherlands, and Norway. She is a well-established member of the Eco fleet. We appreciate your help, and if you would like to help us make more of these videos, leave a comment, tap the like button, and be sure to subscribe. Until next time.